So hi, this is Pew and welcome back to my channel Pew Space. So today I will going to show you that why accessories are very much important to convert a place into a cozy room. So today I will going to transform a place only with the accessories, not any additional furniture. With the existing furniture, only by adding some accessories, how one can convert a place into a cozy room. So keep watching and stay tuned to know how this is possible and why accessories are very much important. So stay tuned with me. So this is the room which I will going to transform with, and you can see that there is nothing else except the bed and the wardrobe. So I will going to show you that how with the help of the accessories only I can form this room into a cozy place. So keep watching and you can get to know that why the accessories have much importance. So here I have decided to put these chocolate color curtains. These are in solid chocolate color, and as the color of the wall is plain white, so the chocolate color will go perfectly with that room. So in the large window I have decided to put 3 curtains instead of 2 because it will give that room a unique look. This shelf is from Amazon and it has a very sleek and modern design, and it will give that room a modern touch. I will going to display some artifacts on this shelf, and the white color shelf is totally complementing that ash color wall. This lamp is from Kolkata handicraft fair within under 2000 rupees. It will go perfectly with that bed this room has. I am very much obsessed with round mirrors, but as it is a bedroom, so it is better to not keep that huge mirrors, but these round little mirrors will go perfectly with this room. It will also give some round shape to this room. Okay, now the thing is that I am not sure about this wall. I have decided that I will do some DIY to put that into this wall, but for now I am just keeping that wall empty, and I have decided to put these 2 frames and this frame and this wall into this wall.